What is a block or rotation schedule? It is a way to organize classes to make the best use of time and resources. Block schedule, fewer classes each day, but each class lasts longer, usually around 90 minutes. For example, instead of having 6 45-minute classes, you might have 3 90-minute classes each day. Rotation schedule, classes rotate on a set schedule, so students have different classes at different times throughout the week. For example, instead of having the same class at the same time every day, the schedule changes daily. Welcome to our guide on setting up block or rotation days in our portal. Let's add 2 blocks, labeled A and B. To do this, click on the Add Block/Rotation Date button. Next, enter the title for the block or rotation day and set the sort order to determine the sequence in which it will appear on the list. Once you've entered the details, click Submit. To add block B, simply repeat the process by clicking the Add Block/Rotation Date button, enter the title, sort order, and click Submit. Once you've added block A and block B, it's time to add periods to each block. Click on Block A. Then, click on Add New Period to start adding periods to block A. Enter the title, short name, start time, and end time for the period. If the teacher will take attendance during this period, switch on the Calculate Attendance option. Finally, click Submit to save the period. Repeat this process to add more periods to block A, and then follow the same steps to add periods to block B. That's it. You've successfully set up your block or rotation days, complete with periods. Let's take a look at an example on how you can implement a similar schedule in openSIS. Here, you can see the rotation schedule we've created. It includes different blocks such as block A, block B, and an all-day block. Each block has its own set of periods and timing. To make this setup work in openSIS, you'll need to configure your school's calendar. Let's walk through the steps. Go to the Schools menu, click on Calendars. You'll see each calendar day with a drop-down menu. The default option is All Day, which follows the basic period routine you've created. For days where you want to implement specific blocks like block A or block B, select the appropriate block from the drop-down menu. The days marked with block A, block B, or any other custom blocks will follow the period sequence you've defined under those blocks. By setting up your calendar this way, you ensure that each day follows the correct schedule, whether it's the basic routine or a specific block schedule. Thanks for watching.